Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a job drawing the right way, and I'll explain the basic and important steps you need to know before you begin. If you are a beginner, this will help you understand the job structure, the main functions, and how to keep everything organized from the start. So let's get into it. The very first step is to create a new job. This is where everything begins. Once you open the software, go to the job setup and enter the basic job information. Add the job name, customer name, address, and any important notes for the project. This part may seem simple, but it is very important because it helps you keep your work organized and easy to track later. After that, move into the room setup. This is where you define the space you are working on. In cabinet drawing, the room is the area where all your cabinets will be placed. If the project has more than one room or section, make sure each one is set up properly and clearly labeled. This helps you stay organized and makes the entire job easier to manage. Now comes one of the most important parts, choosing the cabinet style or template. This controls the look and structure of the cabinets. For example, you may be working with a shaker style, slab style, or another custom design. Selecting the correct template from the beginning is very important because it affects how the whole job will be built and displayed. Next, go into the cabinet settings and select the doors, drawers, and front options. This is where you decide how the cabinet fronts will look and function. You can choose different drawer setups, door styles, rollout options, and other hardware details. These small settings make a big difference in the final drawing and help match the design to the customer's needs. After that, you need to select the materials. This step is very important because the material affects both the appearance and the production side of the job. You may choose plywood, melamine, MDF, or another material depending on the project. Make sure you also select the correct finish and texture so the drawing looks accurate and professional. Then check the library or standard settings. This is where the software keeps the main rules and construction details for the job. These settings help control how the cabinets are built and how the system behaves while you are drawing. If the library is set correctly, it saves time and helps reduce mistakes later. Now, take a moment to understand the job structure. A good job drawing should be clean, organized, and easy to follow. The structure should include the room setup, cabinet style, material choice, and all important job details. When everything is placed correctly, the drawing becomes much easier to read and easier to build from. This is also the time to check the functions of the job. Every part of the setup has a purpose. The room helps organize the layout. The template controls the cabinet design, the material defines the build, and the library helps keep the project consistent. When all of these functions work together, your job drawing becomes accurate and professional. Once everything is set, look at the preview and review the drawing carefully. Zoom in, check the layout, and make sure every detail is correct. If something looks wrong, this is the best time to fix it. A few extra minutes of checking can save a lot of time during production. So, to summarize, the basic steps are simple: create the job, enter the job information, set up the room, choose the cabinet template, select the doors and drawers, assign the materials, review the library settings, understand the job structure and functions, and then check the final preview. That is how you start a job drawing in the right way. When you follow these steps, your work stays clean, accurate and professional. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.